everyone. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel Square Unit. So today we will learn what is additive identity. What are additive identity? If a plus 0 is equals to a, then 0 is called additive identity. Okay, and what is additive inverse? If a plus bracket over minus a is equals to 0, so a and minus a are called additive inverse to each other, as for example 2 plus minus 2 is equals to 0, then the additive inverse of 2 is minus 2. Okay, multiplicative identity. What are multiplicative identity? If a multiplied by 1 we get a, then 1 is called multiplicative identity. For example, 3 multiplied by 1 we get 3, etc. Multiplicative inverse. If a multiplied by b we get 1, then we can say that a and b are multiplicative inverse of each other. As 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 we get only 1, so the multiplicative inverse of 2 is 1 by 2. Some important points of numbers. Okay, so here we learn some important points on numbers. First, 2 is the only even prime number. Second, number 1 is neither divisible nor prime. Third, two consecutive odd prime numbers are called prime pair. Fourth, all natural numbers are whole number, rational number, integers, and real number. Fifth, all whole numbers are rational integer and real. All whole numbers are rational and real number. All whole numbers, rational numbers, and irrational numbers are real. Whole numbers and natural numbers can never be negative. Natural numbers including prime, composite, even, or odd numbers and whole numbers are never negative. Fractions are rational. All prime numbers except 2 are odd. 0 is neither negative nor positive. If a is any number, then if a divides 0, result will be 0. If 0 divides a, then result will be infinite or not defined or undetermined. That is, 0 by a we get 0, but a by 0 we get infinite, where a is real number. Dividing 0 by any numbers gives 0. For example, 0 by a we get 0. The place or position of a digit in a number is called its place value, such as place value of 2 in 5283 is 200. The real value of any digit in a certain number is called its face value, as face value of 2 in 5283 is 2. The sum and the product of two rational numbers is always rational number. The product of the product of the product or the sum of a rational number and irrational number is always irrational number. Okay, you understand here? The product or the sum of rational number and irrational number is always irrational. Pi is an irrational number. We will prove this question that pi is a irrational number. In future I will explain. There can be infinite number of rational or irrational numbers between two rational numbers or two irrational numbers. Decimal indications of an irrational number is infinite, coming as root over minus 3, root over 2. The square of an even number is even and the square of an odd number is odd. Okay, decimals. The decimal representing of a rational number is either finite or infinite recurring. For example, 3 by 4 we get 0.75 finite. 11 by 3 we get 3.666 infinite recurring. The repeating of numbers is called recurring. If decimal number 0, x and 0, xy are given, then they can be expressed in the form of p by q, as 0 point x is equals to x by 10 and 0.xy is equals to x by xy by 100. If decimal recurring number 0.x recurring or x 0.x bar and 0.xy bar are given, then they can be expressed in the form of p by q, as 0.x bar is equals to x by 9 and 0.xy bar is equals to xy by 99. The recurring decimal numbers of type x 0.x bar or 0.xyz bar may be converted to rational form as p by q follows. 0.xy we get xy minus x divided by 90, and 0.xyz bar is equals to xyz minus x divided by 990. Thank you.